logically speaking, wala naman tayong ganito we should really not have these types of conversations during times of crisis. Pero ang liit na ng window of opportunity ng administration ngayon na para ma-impeach si Sara Duterte, and ito na lang talaga yung possible time nila.
Yes.
So tama ang timing for the BBM admin.
I mean, hindi naman tama yung timing kasi kahit ngayon mahihirapan sila, pero wala silang ibang timing kundi ito.
Wala ko naman, ang timing kasi walang timing dyan na for me, the Constitution is not suspended just because there's an energy crisis. So, basta may nakasalang na impeachment, kailangan tuloy yan. Hindi yan pwede masuspend, hindi yan tama o mali ang timing. Basta may impeachment, sabi ng Constitution, ituloy yan. Kahit nga gera Attorney Clint, the Constitution is not suspended. Article 11 is not suspended kahit na may gera. So yung energy crisis, hindi yung impeachment yung tiniming sa energy crisis Nobody could have foreseen na may energy crisis. Tapos kung hindi pinadismiss ni VP Sara yung impeachment last year, tapos na sana. So wala sanang, bakit ba inuuna yung impeachment, may energy crisis? Wala na sana ganung tanong kung tinapos na last year. Asan yung bloodbath last year? Last year pa hinihingi yan Dapat tapos na yung impeachment. Last year pa lang. Acquitted or convicted, tapos na yan. So there should be no question sa timing. It's Sara's fault. Chis Escudero, Senate President of the most corrupt budget. Eto, Martin Romualdez ang sasabihin. Sabihin mo, doon ako kay Chis Escudero, Senate President.
Correct.
Who's higher? Martin Romualdez o Chis Escudero? Chis Escudero, part siya ng BICAM
If I'm getting this correct,
Yes.
you believe that Chis Escudero should also be imprisoned alongside Martin Romualdez?
Of course. Do you believe or not?
Well, it really depends kasi mostly nakafocus ako kay Martin Romualdez.
But I'm laying the evidence now to you that whatever you have against Martin Romualdez,
It's connected.
more guilty itong isa.
They're connected.
Kasi si Martin Romualdez hindi
Do you
siya
think they're
nakapirma.
connected?
I mean, Speaker Martin is Speaker.
May
Yes,
mayor.
I'll give you that. Zaldico, of course, Committee Chair, APRO. Pero si Speaker Martin, wala ang pangalan niya sa BICAM. If you say 2025 is the most corrupt budget, yung pangalan ni Chis nasa BICAM.
Yung big separation kasi between Chis Escudero and Martin Romualdez is that Chis is a opposition figure. Part siya ng hindi siya kasama ni Marcos. But Marcos, on the other hand, is first cousins with Romualdez. And that really puts things into perspective of how much power the administration has over the budget.
Yes.
Chis is opposition now, but he was not opposition before. You know anong big role ni Chis? Kaya sila vibes ni BBM? Hindi mo alam? Siya nag-fundraising. 500 million sa Cork Wine Bar with Maynard Ngu.
Wow.
2022 elections. That's reported by Billionario. That's not me.
Oh, really?
That's reported. Cork Wine and Bar nag-fundraising 5 million per head. Bawat dadating sa Cork Wine and Bar magbibigay ng 5M para kay PBBM. And Sara, Uniteam yun Uniteam campaign fundraising yun. And Chis Escudero
500 million.
and Maynard Ngu ang nag-fundraise. Nasa balita yan.
Mas lumala yung sitwasyon nila Marcos noon after he arrested former President Duterte. And from his perspective, if he could go back to it now, then yes, siguro, maging mali.
Mag-iiba yung decision niya. Mag-iba yung decision niya if in hindsight.
In hindsight, tama. Hindi talaga nakatulong sa kanya yung pag-arrest kay former President Duterte. And it just made the conflict even worse.
Yeah.
Doesn't that show hindi siya politiko na who cares about self-interest? Ang tinitingnan niya kung ano yung tama. Ako, I would love to hear your explanation on your allegations against the 30 plus NUP members that they were allegedly bribed to vote for Speaker Romualdez.
I have pictures.
Why do you have pictures?
Who was there?
Why do you have pictures? Kasi NUP ka. Kasi NUP si dad mo.
I was NEP at that time.
Oh, so are you saying your dad was bribed? You were bribed?
No, my dad was not.
No.
For Speaker Romualdez, I was not there because my pictures were from the 2025 campaign.
Yes, so ang tanong ko lang,
I was not
sinasabi
running
mo,
for Congress during
NUP
that time.
members were bribed to vote for Speaker Martin. NUP yung tatay mo noon, NUP ka. So kayo ba ay inimbitahan to go to Soler?
That was referencing the 2025 election for Speaker, not the 2022 election for Speaker, as I was not congressman at that time.
Yes, kaya nga ako ina-expand ko yung tanong Si Kong P, di ba, na-bribe din noon to vote for Speaker Martin as early as 2022.
That'll be settled in court.
Right against self-incrimination. Yes, pero ako kasi ang concern ko for you, Kong Kiko, lahat ng mga ibabato mo, ibabalik sa family mo. lahat ng binabato mo babalik sa family mo.
I mean, that's fine.
Then you admit that
If
your family,
If I'm
your
corrupt,
political
then I
dynasty.
deserve to be in prison as well. But I'm going down with everyone else in the National
Sabi mo kay
Unity
Jessica
Party.
Soho, tinanong ka ni Jessica Soho, malinis ka ba, Kong Kiko? Ang sabi mo,
We
wala
will
pa akong
see.
kaso. Hindi, sabi mo wala pa akong kaso. A true innocent person would have said, yes, malinis ako. Ako, tanong mo ko, Attorney Clint, sa barangay, malinis ba ako? Yes, wala kaming SOP doon. I'm asking you again now, malinis ka ba?
We will see.
Nung councilor ka? Nung bukal ka? At ngayon congressman ka, malinis ka ba?
We will see regarding that because clean and perfectly legal are both completely separate things. There are people who can act within the bounds of the law that can also be at the same time corrupt. And there are people who are good.
In other
So
words,
you mean-
that can
malinis.
be in
So
prison
you mean
for...
you accept money but legally, parang Marcoleta?
I'm not saying that.
No, sinasabi mo
example,
hindi ka nagnakaw. Nagnakaw ka, yes or no?
If we look at
Magnanakaw ka, yes or no?
if we look at South Africa in the apartheid regime that Nelson Mandela was against. So
It's a simple
from that
question for me.
perspective-
May SOP ka ba? Or nagnakaw ka nung councilor ka ng DASMA?
From that perspective,
Ngayon congressman ka, magnanakaw ka o hindi?
from that perspective, the law can be applied to good people where they can be guilty even though they are innocent. It's
That's a
against him.
complicated answer for a very simple question. Naging magnanakaw ka ba ever?
Asking someone whether or not they have stolen is not a simple question because stealing and theft in politics is already a very complicated
It's a simple
aspect.
question.
I've met both Vice President Sara Duterte and I've met Leni Robredo when she was Vice President at the time, and I'd still prefer to choose Vice President Sara Duterte. She's just mas ano siya eh. She's more reasonable to talk to.
Really?
What's unreasonable about Lenny? What's
Which
not
one?
reasonable about Lenny?
She does not have the same form of logic as Vice President Sara Duterte from what I've observed. And that's
Oh, see,
based on personal
that
observation.
goes against the
as someone that
Oo.
has met them both.
goes
I mean,
against the
they're both
mindset na
lawyers.
luka-luka si Sarah.
Oh, well, we have a fundamental disagreement there. Kasi anong logic ni Sarah? Plan A, Plan B, Plan C, yung sobrang bagal niya, magsalita parang grade 5. Nothing's impressive about that.
Yung ano, bagal lang talaga magsalita eh.
Hindi
And
kasi
Lenny
kumuha
is
siya ng
not-
PR.
Lenny's not a fast speaker either.
Yes, pero sobrang walang kwenta yung mga pinagsasabi ni Sarah. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C. Oh my God, tell me more. Yun ang pang graduation speech mo? Baka dahil grade school daw or high school ang kausap. Ang question ko, bakit hindi ini-invite si Sara Duterte sa mga university commencement exercises? Why? Why not? There must be an answer to that.
Like, yung unexplained wealth ng, for example, isa sa mga flood control congressman, mas malaki pa sa, like, like, even in the vice president's budget in general. Like,
Did you
Sobrang-
know that Sara Duterte had 1 billion in insertions in 2020? Did you keep track of the news? Nasa Cabral files yan or DPWH leaks? Did you
2020?
track the... Close mo si Kong Leviste. Tinignan mo ba yung Cabral files niya tsaka yung DPWH leaks? 1 billion in 2020 when she was mayor, 1 billion in insertions. Sabi niya, baka propaganda lang ng opposition, yung unexplained wealth. Ito lang, simple math. Ang math, walang politika ang math.
Yeah.
Walang politika yan, walang opposition, walang admin.
Science.
Tingnan mo lang ang SALN niya, 88 million. Ngayon, if compare mo yung sahod niya as vice mayor, mayor, vice president, hindi yan naabot in 20 years na 88 million. Pag minat mo, pag kinumpute mo yung legal salary niya. By the way, wala pa yung pagkain niya doon, wala pa yung transpo, wala pa yung
But for
upa.
as a lawyer naman, 88
No,
is
as a lawyer.
doable.
Pero hindi siya nag-practice eh. Diretso siyang public service. You cannot practice as a mayor.
Correct.
Bawal yun. Practice of profession. Ang tagal niyang mayor. Hindi pwede yun. Court of Appeals, ano ba siya? Supreme Court parang clerk for like 6 months or 1 year? Yun lang.